Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Find What Feels Good app in your mobile. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, then search Find What Feels Good. There you can see Find What Feels Good Yoga. Press there and press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy your yoga session. This was for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. We'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.